That was painful.
Hello everyone, my name is Armand, and today we will be going over briefly the uses of the word get. Its past tense got, its past participle gotten, and with its gerund ending getting. Okay, you all, before we get started, I would like you all to know that many uses of the following words are informal and that they're used all the time. So it's good that we practice them. Now let's get started. The first use of the word that we will go over today translates into Spanish, conseguir o tener, and in Portuguese, conseguir, pegar, o ter. For example, did you get the tickets for the play tonight? Yes, I got the tickets. I got the new video game that came out. Awesome. When did you get it? Okay, now, the next use we will speak about refers to the word arrive. So in Spanish, llegar. In Portuguese, chegar. For example, she gets here for work on time every day. He got here late again. Now remember that in the present tense of the third person of the word get, it must carry an S at the end of the word. But in the future tense, it doesn't carry an S. For example, he will get here on time. Okay, now the third use today refers to a change of state or mood, and it is followed by an adjective. For example, my ankle is slowly getting better each day. I hope the cancer doesn't get worse. Okay guys, now the fourth and last use that we will go over today refers to doing something suddenly or at that very moment. For example, hey, don't waste time, get to work. Or, when I saw the photo, I got to thinking about you.
Never again am I doing that without gloves. That was painful. It's still painful. I don't know how cold it is exactly, but that was rough because it was windy too. And with wind, you know, it gets colder. So, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you for blessing me to get back safely. All right, you guys. I tried to be a tough guy today. I wanted to be, I don't need gloves, you know. I forgot them. And I could have turned around and went back and got them, but no. I guess I didn't feel like it, but now I regret it. But hey, you live and you learn, right? Hey guys, I got this this burrito from Taco Bell. It's $1. No, it's not the healthiest for breakfast, but it's okay. It's not bad. Let's give it a shot. In it, you have cheese, potato, and I think that's it. Hold on, I don't even know what's in it. It usually comes with tomatoes, but this time I got it without tomatoes. And I got some mild sauce. Some other countries have Taco Bell too. I think almost all. Yeah. Potato, cheese, egg, and tomato. That's what it usually comes with. But I got it without tomatoes today. I know. Please don't judge me. Thank you all again. Hopefully you learned something today. And I enjoyed doing this. Y'all take care. I'm gonna finish this up.